Hi everyone, good morning. I'm going on a long ride. I'm in an auto. I'm going to meet my friend. From there, I'll go on the bike. I'm picking the worst angles I can see. But super excited to travel.
We quickly got started on our ride. The ride is from Bangalore to Yelagiri. Dhanush's native place is Yelagiri. He was going to go and visit, and he asked if I wanted to accompany him, and I was so excited to tag along. We spotted this amazing food truck that had a lot of people, and we just had to stop for breakfast.
Good time.
We would often stop for me to stretch because my legs were starting to hurt. The best thing about traveling in a bike is that you can take as many breaks you want because it's so easy to stop anytime you see something yummy you want to eat or something you want to drink.
I should be taking.
The most unexpected thing happened when we finished drinking the juice. It's when Dhanush pushed me to try riding the bike. I was so hesitant in the start, but he kept pushing me. He said I could do it, and then slowly I somehow gained confidence. And then I got on the bike, and I was so afraid, but he was sitting right behind me, and I did struggle initially. But once I got a hang of it, that feeling was unbelievable because I went to the ride thinking I would just sit behind. I didn't think I was going to ride it.
Hi, I'm trying to ride the bike in this old abandoned road. How do I park it?
I can't believe I rode so far. We were constantly taking breaks, getting something to eat, and the fresh wind around us just made everything so perfect.
I think I might just start dancing now. Ooh, come on, Dhanush.
As we started getting closer to the destination, the route was so scenic. The roads were covered with tender coconut trees. We also happened to spot a lake which was so beautiful.
How was biryani?
We finally reached the destination. We quickly freshened up, just splashing water on our faces felt so good after the ride. If you did watch this video, please don't forget to like. I am just starting out on YouTube, so it would mean the world to me if you could subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.